Hey, it's Annie.
And I'm Amir.
And today we are going to write a song in just 1 hour. But before we get into it, I just wanted to thank today's sponsor, Kuoka Tunes, for gifting us these beautiful kalimbas, but more on them later. Let's just get into it. Let's just get into it.
Let's get into it, loves.
Let's get into it.
Okay, first step to writing a song, we first need to figure out what topic we're writing about. What's the vibe? What are we thinking?
I was thinking, since I'm visiting him in Boston, this is a new city for me, I wanted to write a song about visiting a city or moving to a city for the first time and not really knowing what you're getting into. You're nervous, but you want to fit in, you want to make things work. Something along the lines of moving into a new city. You guys get that?
Gotcha. I'll try to translate that into a musical idea. Let's use the Kuoka Tunes kalimba first. So I'm gonna record using the Kuoka Tunes kalimba, and I'm gonna put this into a track.
Our favorite part about writing music is how fun it is to incorporate new sounds. Kuoka Tunes kalimbas are super easy to pick up and play and are known for their warm and soothing sounds. These kalimbas come pre-engraved with notes on their metal tines, making it especially easy for beginners to start. So, if you're looking for a gift this holiday season for anyone young or old, consider the gift of music. Since November is Kuoka Tunes' birthday month, I'll be hosting a little giveaway. If you want a chance to get a free kalimba sent to you, you can check the description box below for more details. The giveaway will be announced on December 2nd, so good luck!
Alright, so I recorded the kalimba into Logic. I'm just gonna put some effects on it so that we can start writing, but while I do that, Annie's gonna start writing the song, okay?
Alright, so we are gonna start the timer now. So as you can see, I'm gonna set it for an hour. I'm gonna just blurb out a ton of lyric ideas.
Last thing I'll do for the production is put some drums in, and then we'll start writing some lyrics.
Yes. That it's got its loose, that it has a lot of...
But it's giving me a chance, The city isn't friendly, but it's giving me a chance.
Okay. But
it's kind of like what happens to every artist when they move to New York, right?
So, New York sounds a little hard to say, so we should probably switch it to city. Because it can be any city. The one thing that we always think about when we're writing is what word actually feels good to say. Even if it contextually makes sense, I will change a word, whether that be like minutes or hours, what sounds better to say. It doesn't have to be true to the story. It's what serves the song, you know?
So we were able to write a verse really quickly. That took like, what, 6 minutes?
I think it's because we came into the song with an idea and a story, and that's really what helps you write the song.
And it also helps to be writing with someone that you have very, very good synergy with, like...
Wow! 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 We started with the verse. Obviously you can start with like an intro or some sort of like instrumental in the beginning. We're just going straight into the verse. We're setting up the scene with what's happening, what's around us. I've already packed my bags, and you get the scene of like, okay, you're getting ready to go, but you haven't gone yet. And then it leads into the rest of the story, which is like probably the journey, or you're probably on your way there. And that's probably gonna be the chorus for us, right? Like how we feel while we're on the journey to the city. Do you think that's gonna sound okay?
Sure, let's do it.
Let's go for it. Okay.
Actually, to be honest, I'm kind of hearing a chorus right now. A very quarter note thing, you know? Like a... something like that. Copyright infringement. Do you got plans tonight? I'm a couple 100 miles from Japan tonight. Wanna get in the city, but I'm fine as long as you're
with me. Like the first thing that comes to mind is like very cheesy, and the sentence with a tonight, or end it with a with you. Change it up a little bit, make it a little spicy, add some flavor and seasoning, okay? We're gonna add your own personality to it, okay?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Tonight. What I noticed actually about that song, for using it as a reference, it's a 2-bar phrase, right? So maybe we can at least take kind of the structure of that.
What if it's like da 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 da.
Ah, da da da. We only have an hour. We need to write quickly.
Okay.
How much time do we have?
We have 40 minutes left, guys.
Oh, we're still good. Wanna get lost in the city. Yeah, something like that.
I like that ending part.
What if it was not a symmetrical phrase?
I like the symmetrical
Okay,
bit of it.
then let's keep it.
Something about it just... It's just... Stay with me.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
It's only gonna break your heart. It's only gonna break your heart.
I like that.
Okay, simple. How much time?
We have 6.
Oh my god, 6 minutes. We don't even have anything. So, let's do the pre-chorus.
Okay.
I came from the suburbs to the streetlights.
Out of the
suburbs.
The comfort.
Yeah. Out of the comfort of the suburbs.
Out of the comfort of the suburbs. We have
3 minutes left. We need to go. Okay, we can do this. We can do this. We can do this. We have 3 minutes left. We need to finish this.
Okay, we only need to.
Okay, we literally just need a few lines, but I can't come up with anything.
Okay, you got this. You got the out of the comfort of the suburbs.
Out of the comfort of the suburbs.
Ooh, you're the reason that I'm leaving.
But you tonight. The reason that I'm leaving.
Timer. Oh, how about leaving? Hold it.
Yeah, leave it. Okay.
Hey,
time's up. We're just gonna hold
time
it.
is up.
The reason that I'm leaving. You're telling me.
What the fuck? What the heck? We have finished writing. The timer is up, and Amir is completely dead on the. He is completely dead on the bed. What? How are you feeling right now?
Dead on the bed, lost in my head.
Okay, now that we finished writing the song within the hour, Amir's gonna go produce the demo. We're gonna lay down the tracks, we're gonna record the vocals, and we'll show you the demo in a little bit. Anyways, here's the finalized demo, and hope you guys like it. We'll see you guys next week. I'll be heading there this weekend. I've already packed my bags. Heard the city isn't friendly, but it's given me a chance. Out of the comfort of the suburbs, I knew I had to go. You're the reason that I'm leaving.